Hello, my name is Chef Ben Diaz. Today I'm going to show you how to make a creamy chili, chicken, and cream cheese enchiladas. These are great, simple enchiladas anybody can make for any occasion. So first, we're going to take a 2-quart pot, put it on our stovetop, add 1 quart of olive oil, bring it to a boil. Next, add 12 each tortillas. Cook for about 30 seconds. Make sure your fingers are not touching the oil. Next, take them out, let them drain for about 30 seconds. In a large mixing bowl, add 1 cup of cooked diced chicken, half a cup of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro, and mix thoroughly. Now that you drain your tortillas, grab one each at a time, add 1 slice of provolone cheese, add your mix of chicken and cream cheese, roll each one tightly to resemble a nice little cigar. Next, add your enchiladas to your baking pan. Now add 1 cup of ranch dressing, 1 cup of roasted chili, 1 cup of shredded jack and cheddar cheese blend, and 3 slices of provolone. Now we're going to take our enchiladas, place them to a 450-degree oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And